All right, guys. Good morning or good afternoon. Unfortunately, Cooper was sick today, so I had to run into school here early this morning. I'll be off with him today. Woke up with a high fever, so I apologize for not being with you today. What I have here is the answers to last night's homework, so if you go ahead and check those carefully, I'll scroll down here in a second for you. Just ask you to do a good job for the sub today. Really independent work, and I think you'll be okay with today's lesson, and we'll cover up your thing back up tomorrow. Okay, so don't lose this paper. I'll take any questions you have on it tomorrow. So just looking at these questions, a couple of them up here, just to be aware of. You know, right here when it says the 2 less than the product of x and 4, right? Well, that means that we have to have 2 less than whatever the product of x and 4. That means whatever the answer is to that multiplication problem. So we need to take x times 4, or I said 4x, and then have 2 less than that. So that's that trick one we talked about. So it'd be 4x minus 2. This is another one, the difference of 8 and r divided by 6. That means we have to have the difference of it first, right? And then we're going to divide that whole thing by 6. So again, that's parentheses. The difference of 8 and 4, difference means answer to a subtraction problem. Difference of 8 and 4 divided by 6. This was another one down here, a couple tricky ones. 6 plus 4 times whatever x minus 3 is, so that's the difference again, right? So we're going to do 6 plus 4 times the difference of x and 3, okay? Scrolling down the page here, I eventually had all the classes skip this number 4. So these are the answers I came up with, and again, we'll take time tomorrow to ask and answer some questions on these. So go ahead and check those, all right? And then what I'm going to have you do today is in Google Classroom, I've also posted a new video on algebraic expressions and solving algebraic expressions. So I'd like you to watch that video. It's about a 10-minute video. She does a bunch of examples. I want you to get all of those examples in your notebook, okay? All the examples in your notebook. Do a good job of taking quality notes. Make sure they're organized. Put a heading of algebraic expressions. And once you finish with the video and you've completed all of those notes and you've really thought about what they're saying, because I think you can handle it, I know you can handle it actually, then I'm going to have you can go ahead and move on to tonight's homework, which is worksheet 196. Okay. Also, don't forget, quiz corrections are going to be due on Tuesday at the latest. And remember our policy of how quiz corrections need to be done. I am also going to put a copy of that on Google Classroom for you as well. So I hope you guys have a great day. Please work well for the sub. Work hard. Watch the video. Take the notes, take really good notes, and then move right into that worksheet 196, which is from the yellow packet. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.